In this video, we are going to learn how to download and install Java and write our very first program in Java language. So first of all, for downloading Java, you can just search on your web browser as download Java. Okay, we are taken here to a bunch of sites, and from here we are going to select Oracle's site because Oracle owns Java. Now, first of all, make sure you download the standard edition, and currently Java standard edition 14 is the latest release. So Java development kit download, and we are taken here. Now there are these operating systems. Select your operating system and download the corresponding file. I'm running Windows, so I'm downloading the Windows. Okay, check this and download JDK. Save file. As you can see, this is now getting downloaded. Okay, after downloading the file, go to the downloaded location and just double click the file. It will start the installer. This does all the work by itself. Click next, and let it complete the progress. Okay, this might take a little while, so I maybe want to skip it to the end. Actually, it didn't. Okay, just close it and we are done. Okay, now after installing Java, let us check it if it has installed correctly. Java. Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. Okay, this is because of we just installed Java, but we have not given any path where Windows can find our Java program. So we have to give the path where so whenever we compile or run any Java program, then Windows can search those files and run those Java files. For that, we just have to give it the path, and to give path, we have to go into our C drive where our files are saved after installation, and we can find here Java. Just open it. Now here JDK 14 we just installed. Okay, this is JDK 1.8 prior version, but 1.14, and go into this folder bin, and just click here and copy this path and go to PC, right click, properties, and advanced system settings. Okay, here environment variables. Here in this section we are going to add a new variable. uh, Click new and give this name as path and paste. Okay, so click OK, OK, and OK. Now let us check it again. Java. Okay, this is not updated command prompt, so we have to close it and reopen our command prompt. Now Java version. Okay, Java 14.0.1. That is the Java we just installed. Okay, if only Java, then now this dialog screen comes up. Okay, so we are finished with installation, and now let us begin to write our very first program in Java language. For writing a Java program, we do not need any editor, but only a text processor. But IDE, you must have heard this word IDE, which means Integrated Development Environment, that is needed to make things simple. But it is not necessary you must have an IDE. So because in IDE does the all tiresome work for us. But for very beginners, we must need to know that what is happening under the hood. So for now, we are going to use just a simple text editor, an advanced version of Notepad named Notepad++, and later on we will use an IDE like Eclipse or NetBeans or IntelliJ. Those are the most famous ones nowadays. So for now we are just going to download our Notepad++. So again open your browser and write download Notepad plus plus and select this Notepad++ site and download the latest release. Okay, now you must check what bit processing is being run on your operating system. Is it a 32-bit operating system architecture or a 64-bit architecture? And then you must download the corresponding installer. I am having a 64-bit architecture, so download 64 and my file has begun downloading. Okay, after downloading Notepad++, again go to your downloads folder and I have set it by default JLearner. Now double click the Notepad++ file and next install. Now this has installed. Run Notepad++. And since I have previously installed Notepad++, then this is the theme I have selected, and you can also change the theme from style configurator, and the theme I'm using is called Base-Pen. By default it is named default and it might look like this, so I prefer this. uh, it's much better in looks. Then save and close. Now our first ever Java program. Okay, we are going to save it in our desktop, JLearner, create a new folder named Java programs, and we are going to name it Hello World. Okay, we have to give the extension that is .java, so our computer knows that this is a Java file. Now let's write our first ever Java program. Okay, public class hello world. Make sure you write the class name same as the file name. Because of this keyword, it expects the file to be named same as our class name. Okay, then public static void main string arguments. This is just a pseudocode. Maybe this is not making any sense to you right now, but this is the basic pattern that you must follow to write a Java program. First of all, you have to create a class, and for running that class, you have to give a main method. And in this program, we are just going to print on our screen hello world. So system.out.println, ln for next line, we are going to print hello world. Control S for saving. After saving, just right click here, open containing folder in CMD and command prompt. Okay, now for Java, because Java uses two translators, that is Java compiler and then again Java interpreter. So we first have to compile it, and I want you to notice something. Let's right click, open containing folder. Now uh, this is the folder we are currently in. Okay, this is showing us that this is a Java file and named as hello world. we have to first compile it. Let's write Java C for Java compile, and then hello world.java. Okay, you can just press tab and it will write the name for you. Press enter. Now notice here a dot class file has been generated by Java compiler. Now Java compiler does this so that the Java interpreter can read this. Because of this quality of Java, Java can run on any platform. You might have heard the slogan, write once, run anywhere for Java. So now for running this, we just have to write Java and the name of the file, hello world. So there it is, hello world. This is our simple program for writing Java, hello world in Java. So see you next time.